I like to bark, howl at the moon, and go to the park and sleep all afternoon. I got it made in the shade, 'cause I live a dog's life. I've got some habits I know I should change. I drink from the toilet when you look away. I run like a greyhound when you tell me to stay. But hey, that's a dog's life. I love taking rides, except for that trip you took me to the doctor. I wound up getting fixed. What were you thinking? Man, that really hurt. That ain't no dog's life. Sometimes I dream I'm on the beach, somebody lets me off my leash. I get to run, splash around with other dogs. I'll chase a bird until it flies, stare a cat right in the eye, at least until he shows me his claws. My favorite movie is Turner and Hooch, but I can't watch Old Yeller, they shoot the poor pooch. And that dog who played Lassie was really a dude. Guess that's a dog's life. My hair in the breeze, a roll in the grass, a chew toy that squeaks. These are a few of my favorite things that make up a dog's life. I don't like sweaters, I don't like bats, but I love my human, no strings attached. He fills my food bowl, scratches my back. Right there. That's a dog's life. I gotta go now, it's time for my nap, 'cause I live a dog's life.